Hey there, future millionaires. Yep, I'm talking to you. If you're a teenager watching this right now, I want you to imagine something. Imagine being in your 20s or early 30s and never having to stress about money. Imagine buying your dream car, traveling anywhere, or even retiring decades early, all because you started learning how to invest today. Sounds like a fantasy. It's not. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact investing advice millionaires wish they had when they were your age. This isn't boring textbook finance stuff. This is real, practical, and simple advice that can change your entire life. So grab your notebook as class is officially in session. Here's the first thing you need to know. You have the greatest advantage in investing. Let's break it down. If you start investing at age 15, you have decades for your money to grow. That's called compound interest. Basically, your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And he wasn't joking. Here's an example. If you invest just a $50 a month starting at 15, and your investments grow by an average of 10% a year, by the time you're 50, you'll have over 500,000. And that's without winning the lottery or starting a $1 billion company. That's just steady investing. Now, if you wait until you're 25 to start, you'd have to invest almost 3 times more each month to catch up. That's the power of starting early. You can invest smaller amounts and still get huge results. Remember this, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Before you can invest like a millionaire, you need to speak the language of money. Here are the key terms you should know. Asset. Something puts money in your pocket, like stocks, real estate, or a business. Liability, there is something that takes money out of your pocket, like debt, expensive habits, or a car loan you can't afford. RI is a return on investment, how much profit you make compared to the money you put in. Diversification, and spreading your money across different investments so you're not betting everything on one thing. Once you know these basics, you can start making smart decisions instead of guessing. Because here's the truth, millionaires don't just get lucky. They understand the rules of the game. And the sooner you learn those rules, the sooner you can start winning. Now let's get into the fun part, the plan. If you want to build wealth as a teenager, here's a step-by-step guide you can start right now. Step 1, earn money. You can't invest money you don't have. So start earning. This could be part-time job after school, freelancing online as a graphic design, writing, editing videos, selling stuff you don't use anymore, starting a small service business, salon care, tutoring, pet sitting. Remember, it's not about making millions right away. It's about building your first stream of income. Step 2, save aggressively. Once you start earning, don't spend it all on sneakers or the latest phone. Aim to save at least 50% of your income. That means if you make $200 a month, save $100 and use the rest for fun. This might sound hard, but think about it this way. Every dollar you save today can turn into $10, $20, or more in the future through investing. Step 3, open a custodial or teen investment account. If you're under 18, you'll need a parent or guardian to help open a custodial brokerage account with companies like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. This is your gateway to the stock market. Step 4, invest in index funds and ETFs. You don't need to gamble on risky stocks. Instead, invest in index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of many stocks, so you own a small piece of hundreds of companies at once. 2 great beginner options. Vanguard S&P 500 ETFs, a VOO, tracks the top 500 US companies. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI-LU, gives you exposure to the entire US stock market. Historically, the stock market has returned about 10% a year on average. So the earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of that growth. Step 5 tree. Keep adding money. Investing isn't on and done thing. It's about consistency. Even if it's just $1,000 a week, keep adding to your investments. Think of it like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant and the longer you let them grow, the bigger your money forest will be. Money isn't just about math. It's about mindset. Here are some habits and attitudes millionaires have. Patience, they don't panic when the market drops. They know it's temporary. Long-term thinking, they focus on years, not days. Continuous learning, they read books, watch videos, and keep improving their skills. Frugality, they avoid wasting money on things that don't bring real value. And here's the big one. Millionaires see money as a tool, not just something to spend. They use it to buy freedom, opportunities, and time. If you want to build wealth, watch out for these traps. Trying to get rich quick. What chasing? Hot stocks or crypto without research can wipe you out. Not having an emergency fund. Always keep a little cash for unexpected expenses. Letting friends influence your spending. Just because your friend bought a $300 pair of shoes doesn't mean you should too. Ignoring fees. Some investments have high fees that eat into your profits. Here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire isn't about being lucky. It's about making small, smart moves consistently over time. If you're a teenager, you are in the perfect position to start. You have time on your side, the ability to learn fast, and if you start now, a future where you never have to stress about money again. So, don't wait. Start earning, start saving, start investing, and watch what happens. Because the earlier you plant your money seeds, the sooner you'll be sitting under the shade of your millionaire money tree. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Your millionaire journey starts today.